So this pattern calls for a multiple of 10 plus 9. And a little small sample here. I think this is a nice little puffy, I guess you would say. I think it would be nice for baby blanket. Okay, so let me see, 10 plus 9. So you're going to do 5 double crochets in the sixth chain from the hook. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is a really easy 3-word repeat pattern. Okay, let me see. Oh, well. Really? Goodness. Okay. So that's 1, 2. Sorry, it's just a bit hot in here. 4 and 5. Okay, then you're going to skip 2 chains, and then you're going to do a double crochet. You're going to skip 1 chain, then you're going to do a V-stitch, which is the double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Then you're going to skip just 1 chain, and then do another double crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, and then you're going to do your 5 double crochets. Four and 5, and then you're going to skip 2 chains, then do your double crochet, skip 1, your V-stitch, skip 1, and then your double crochet. So that's row 1. So I'm going to skip 2, and it should, this is the last, you should end those 5 double crochets. Okay, so once you do that and you're at the end, then you would skip your 2 chains and do your double crochet at the end. Okay, so that's row 1. Row 2, you're going to chain 5. And then you're going to actually come what do you got, 5 crochets together, which means that you're going to yarn over. We're going to do the first one, and then leave 2, yarn over, going into the second one, go through 2 loops, leave 3, the third, go through 2, leave 4, fourth, go through 2, leave 5, and then go through 2, and there should be 6. And then once you have your 6 loops, just do that. Go through all of them. Do that. Then you're going to chain 2, and this is always going to be the same. So you're going to do your double crochet on top of this double crochet. And in the V-stitch, you're going to do another V-stitch. Then in the next, you're just going to do your double crochet on top of that. Then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to start over with the 5. You're going to put them all, I guess, all together. Sorry, sometimes the yarn splits here. And three, 4, here's the last one. So then you just grab all of them and just do this, and then chain 2. And then again, just do this. This will always be the same. That's pretty easy. Once you establish the foundation row, then the rest is just easy to do. Okay. I was doing fine. Okay, so the last one, so you're just going to chain 2. And this is the last set. Here. And then you're just going to go together. Okay, you're going to chain 2, and then you're just going to do a double crochet on top of this, chain 3, like that. So see, it gives it that little, and you can just, but see, it gives it that little, I don't know what you would call it. If you push them, you get that effect. It's pretty. Okay, so that's row number 2. So row number 3, we're going to chain 3. Then you're going to jump right here in this stitch right here. This one. You're going to do your 5 double crochets. So 2 and 3 are the repeat pattern. When you're going to go over here to this double crochet and just do the same double crochet, and then a V-stitch and the V-stitch. Double crochet on top of this double crochet, and do your 5 double crochets. That first stitch right there. There's no chaining in this row in between, just in row 2. Okay. Then here, go to your crochet, V-stitch. If you're using a variegated yarn, you would need to pay attention to the stitches, because you can probably confuse this one right here, part of the V-stitch, with this one. So just make sure that you're not confusing that one and leaving and skipping over the double crochet. Very good yarn. With some pattern like this, you can get lost. Okay, and then we're just going to double crochet top of the chain 3 like this. So that's row number 3. So now we're going to start with row number 1 again. So you're going to chain 5, which counts as the double crochet, chain 2. Then you're going to do your little together. And that's the pattern. It's really easy. Looks difficult. Well, not difficult, but it looks like you worked at it. See, like this one, it's easy to jump this and go to this one and do the double crochet on top of that one. I say this by experience. So just need to pay attention to that, or you confuse this one with this one. Let's just make sure you don't. And that's the pattern. So I also did a nice simple border with this one. It's already too busy. Chain 2. Did I chain 2? No. See, forgot to chain 2. Can't forget the chain 2. So there you go. So I'm gonna finish this. I'll do a little bit, probably another row or so, and then I'll come back and show you what I did for the border. Again, sorry, I forgot to mention. So when you finish the length of your blanket or whatever project you're using this for, make sure to finish on row 3, because it's going to be easier to do the border. So I'm just finishing up this row so I can show you the border real quick. You can use another border, but if you want to use this one, it's really nice, easy, fast. Okay, so there's the last double crochet. Okay, so when you do your border, make sure it's on the side. I think I did it on this side. Make sure it's on the side where it's let me see. No, I did it backwards actually. I did it on this side. So just make sure that you do it on the side that's puffy, or if you just want to lay it flat like this, you can probably just go over it with your steam iron to loosen these, and they'll just sit flat if you want to block it. Okay, so you can attach your yarn anywhere. So I did half double crochet and a round of half double crochet, and then I did a round of single crochet and then half double crochet. So it's just really easy. Just attach it anywhere. So half double crochet, just again, probably do like 5 on this corner. And then just go in and, you know, space it out. Probably 2 here. And then like that. Okay, so I'll go around and then I'll come back and show you the corners. If you're familiar with it, then you can skip the part. But yeah, just like that. Looks weird because it's a triangle. And here in the corner, you may want to, let me see, what was that? Oh, looking at something else. Here, probably do 3, maybe 4. Then go in here. That's 1 chain, so I would do 1, 1, 1 here, and then just 1. Probably do 2 here, and the where you skip the 2 stitches on the bottom. just whatever works, you know, more or less. Just go around. Okay, so next round is going to be the single crochet round. So again, just more or less see where the corner would go and do your 3 single crochets in that corner. I mean, yeah, in that stitch, I mean, to make the corner. Okay, it makes a nice corner. And then just go around. So I'm going to do the single crochet round real quick, and then half double crochet one. And I come back. So again, just more or less look at it and determine where the corner could be or would be, and then do your 3 stitches in that stitch. Okay, so next row, just going to be the half double crochet if you decide to do a 3rd row. So again, where you did your corner, which is here, then you would go into the middle of the 3 stitches. You would go into the middle or the first, depending on, again, where you would like to have the corner. That makes sense. Then you would do again your 3 stitches to get that corner, like this. So that's this side. So if you want to add this, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm not going to finish the other one. So what I did is just attach your yarn I did a slip knot here. Attach your yarn. So what you're going to do is, these are single slip stitches, are not single crochets. So you're going to attach, and then you're just going to go and do a stitch like this, and then in each one, that's what you're going to do. You're going to slip stitch your way around. On all the stitches. So this will make your, see, like here, it's going to make your corners a little bit round, but that's fine. And that's how you do. And you just do that. Slip stitch all the way around till you finish. And that's it. That gives it this look. So that's the pattern. Please, I guess I covered everything. So please email me with any questions. I guess it's pretty straightforward. It's relaxing if you want to do something nice and relaxing. So yeah, please email me with any questions. I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.